Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game eDowns versus i-Al Hilal. Ngi from i-approach coach, okay, back four, okay. Cupido, Kekana, Mutau, and Sbia Central. Okay, that's where it gets but tactical, whatever. Mkoyena Allende, Santos, and Matthews, Mutiba, yeah. And then he approach Sundowns like Yakadoso young data because now uba nama fullbacks adlala wide. You'll find Sbia kulayini, you'll find Umtau kulayini, and then you'll have Grant Kekana, Beno Cupido Central, and then you'll have Umkoena because Umkoena was like more like a holding. Sometimes you'll see Umkoena coming deep, uzokolete ball, noma sometimes uzombona if it downs iphethe ibhola, you'll find Umkoena maybe sometimes ukavele usbiya, then sometimes on the right you'll find Allende noma uSantos, whoever who's gonna drop deep as a right, ne? Okay. Now and then lento yenza ukuthi uMetus benosales babe onumber 10 abayi-2 because as laba umdawu benosbiya bevuleke kanje bafuna i-opponent ukuthi ivuleke wide so that ama-channel azo-occupy uMetus usales, sometimes even uSantos uma ngabe progressa high. Now uSantos failed i-system ngendlela engibona ngakhona because he wasn't doing much ukuprogressa nebhola. Ubumbona mangabe mele if collect ball. Now I'm saying, why are you going to collect ball and move, whereas vele Umkoena is there? Why ungafuni ama-channel wenza ama-run behind uMotiba? Because sometimes uMotiba was doing well hold the ball, but you won't find a run behind, and now uMotiba lacks a confidence ukuthi sometimes you need to hold the ball and turn, maybe look for a pass. Now umdlali ongifrustrated kakhulu was uSbiya, i-arrogance yakhe ngambuka kwi-game ye-Arrows uRonwen emthethisa during i-team talk, uyenzile futhi izolo ucoach ubemthethisa, i-body language is wrong, akafuni ukulalela. Sometimes if bengamphasa ibhola uyadikibala, boy, like you are a junior player, why wenza le nto leyana? And i-body language, it doesn't want to play. I'm sure leya game bekuyogcina idlala ku-Downs noma mhlampe angibone but soon izodlala because uyambona okanye so ufune abadlali abakhuthele. I-stats yakhe will tell you ukuthi it didn't cover a lot of distance. Sometimes you'll find umdawu if ibhola dlala on the left, umdawu coming in ezo lindele cross noma ezama ungena yena, it doesn't go in. No matter what i-move yenze boxing, he'll stay wide. Now lento enconfusayo is how are we gonna score if you'll have umdawu wide, you'll have uSbiya wide, and then ama-midfielders uthi aweze ezokhulisa ibhola kwi-space saSbiya noSamdown. Who's gonna be creative? Yenza ukuthi i-opponent like it downs ayinayo lento kuthiwa i-rest defense, and they will concede many goals because you are relying ukuthi pass emnandi izophuma ku-Grant noma iphume ku-Cupido. You can't have ama-center back ephethe kakhulu ibhola because now once ibhola laluzwa uGrant, that is a goal because akho muntu ngemuva. Now i-Al Hilal yenze into special. They left number 7 la ingayabo obade emakene nomtawu ukuthi a-cheat. He'll cheat back mhlampe kulayini wesento ukuze bokwazi ukuphuma ngayo. Number 10 was playing a very good role number 15. Number 10 into abayenza was uzo-cheater in ubedlala like more like a false 9. Wenza i-movement so that number 8 ezoba i-box to box yabo efike late, and amagoli awu-2 abenjalo amarana akhe efika late eboxini. The more oGrant befocus ku number 10 yena uzorana straight late, into obungayiboni ku-Sundowns. Now indlela yokuwina angi-understand ku-Downs, you cannot have ama-midfielders amaningi egroundini and uthi awanga occupy ibhola. This is football. I feel like ama-players are too robotic. So coming in second half, you cannot bench Umshishi, you cannot umfakele Umshishi, you cannot bench Umvala, you cannot bench senior players because right now it's team ayenzi kahle, and uMetus is not giving anything. Uyini winger? Is he number 10? No. Santos, hype, no. Second half, being I think we lose number 12 lo Columba. He's very strong, he's very good. Ukwenza movement. I think uyena bemele aqale game, and uBasadini tried to come on the left hand side. So now my issue is, if uzo rely kuma wing backs, and then you need to when the show with midfielders at least wona abamancane egaming, noma midfielders get into the post, because now if ufuna overtaker ngama wing backs, for sure we rely kuma crosses. If we rely on crosses, for sure you need a Shalolile or a Motiba or like a striker. You put in a mobile striker, that means you need to have a midfielder as a man who goes and running boxing or what?